Have you ever been relaxing at home, perhaps catching up on a show, when a subtle but persistent ticking sound starts up, leaving you wondering where it is coming from? If that mystery sound is emanating from your kitchen, specifically your dishwasher, you are not alone. A ticking sound from your dishwasher usually indicates a minor obstruction or a component needing attention, often related to the spray arms, wash pump, or dispenser. While it can be disconcerting, it is typically a sign that something is slightly out of place or worn, rather than a catastrophic failure. The most common reasons for this ticking sound revolve around the dishwasher's internal mechanisms. Often, a small piece of debris like a food particle, a loose utensil, or even a bone fragment can fall into the wash basin and get caught in the rotating lower spray arm. As the arm spins, it will repeatedly strike the object, or the object will scrape against the basin, producing that distinctive ticking noise. Another frequent culprit is the wash pump assembly, particularly if the sound occurs during the wash or drain cycles. If the pump impeller, which is the rotating part that moves water, is damaged or has something stuck in it, it can tick. Sometimes, the soap dispenser mechanism, especially if it is the type that snaps open, can make a ticking sound just as it releases detergent, indicating a minor misalignment or wear in its spring. To investigate these sounds yourself, start by carefully emptying the dishwasher and checking the lower spray arm. Rotate it by hand to see if it catches on anything. Visually inspect the holes in both the lower and upper spray arms for any lodged debris. Also, check the bottom of the dishwasher tub for any items that might have fallen through the dish racks. If the sound persists, especially during the wash cycle, you can try running a cycle with no dishes, just hot water and a dishwasher cleaning tablet, to see if it helps dislodge anything that might be out of sight in the pump area. Make sure to consult your appliance manual for specific troubleshooting steps related to your model. Understanding these ticking sounds can save you from unnecessary worry and potentially avoid a service call. For example, some ticking could be from a loose utensil that has simply slipped through the rack, or even a glass that is knocking against another during the wash. Paying close attention to when the sound occurs, such as only during the rinse cycle or only during draining, can provide valuable clues about which internal component is involved, helping you narrow down the issue efficiently. Pinpointing the source of a ticking dishwasher sound allows you to take simple, proactive steps, whether it is removing a rogue cherry pit from the spray arm or deciding if a professional checkup is needed. This ensures your appliance continues to run smoothly and quietly, bringing peace back to your kitchen.